Sonny!
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video on the air fryer I purchased from Amazon. It had about 70,000 reviews. It was the best seller. Cosori, I believe. Alright. There you go right there. 5.8 quart. Alright, we got some simple one-touch selections. We got a recipe book. We got 11 easy cooking presets. And we got a shake reminder. If you're cooking in fries, you know you want to shake the basket. Alright, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Alright. Alright, it comes pretty well packed here. Take the lid off here, the cover. It's got a little fake French fry picture. What do we got going on over here? We got the plug, we got some styrofoam. Alright, let's pull it out of the box. Alright, now that we got it out of the box, it comes with a bunch of tape. Take the tape off. This stuff keeps the tray closed. I like that design. It's almost like a scratched look, but it looks cool. I don't know if you could see that. Obviously you got your plug, a little safety, pull these off. Up here, read. You want to read everything before you load it up. You never want to put oil in this thing. It's not a deep fryer. Okay, you can see that, obviously. This right here, you peel off. It's a sticker. Tell you what, it's a nice looking machine. Before you get started, there's plastic inside. Make sure to pull out and separate the baskets, or the basket. It shows you all kinds of stuff here you got to do, and then you're going to peel this off. Oh, that's the screen. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we open this up. The little button here. You're going to take the plastic, take the tray out. There's a button here you push, tray lifts out, get the plastic out, get the styrofoam out. This has got like a griddle type bottom. The New Wave was like that cheap mesh type thing. It's all one piece. And you got a nice tray at the bottom. It looks like it's got a nice coating on it. The New Wave coating was peeling off. It clicks back in. Got to get this cardboard out here underneath. Get some of this plastic out here if you could see it. Alright. Take your little tray. And it clicks into place. Oh, I see. So when you close it, it blocks the button. There you go. Let's plug this bad boy in. We got a blue light. Alright. So I would imagine that's the power button. Oh, there you go. Look at that. And I'll read the instructions. It comes with a book here. If we open this up, comes with a user manual, little thank you guide, another thank you for choosing. Alright, it's got a, if you want to do a warranty, you got the little thing there. And this is the recipe book it comes with. It's a 100-page book. Gives you all ideas on what to cook. That's pretty cool. Basically, like every air fryer, But I'm going to read through it. Obviously, you got a picture of French fries. We know what that is. We got carrots. That would be vegetables. Bread. Desserts. Broccoli. That's snow, but I don't know what that would be. Then we got steak, chicken, fish, seafood, bacon. Oh, you can make bacon in this bad boy. And you got to preheat. So it's basically like every other air fryer. It's a nice looking one though. I like the way that this thing is, it's got that look to it, that scratched look. It's a nice size tray. We're going to throw some steak in it tonight. We're going to try it out. Fit a couple of nice steaks in there. Let's just give it a shot. That'll be 400 at 6 minutes. And then you're going to hit the play button or the go. There you go. So it'll obviously run for the 6 minutes at 400 degrees. You know, you want to rinse this thing out first before you use it. You want to run it for about 10 minutes to burn anything out. Sometimes you'll smell new paint and stuff like that. It has to burn out before you throw food in it. But other than that, yeah, it's the Cosori. It's the Cosori, kid. Go out and get one. It's $116 or so, and it came to like $126 to get it delivered. Not a bad looking unit. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. Yo, Sonny, what do you got to do there, son? You in there, son? It got hot pretty quick. Alright, I'm going to read up on everything, and good luck if you're going to go out there and purchase one of these bad boys. Obviously, when you open up the drawer, it'll shut it down for a minute. And you shut the drawer, it'll come back on and pick up where it left off. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. Sonny!
Yeah, Sonny.